Can a lawyer post legal videos on Instagram or promote their service on YouTube? The Bar Council of Delhi has just issued a strong warning and it would impact thousands of legal content creators. Let's break it down. On 4th August 2025, the Bar Council of Delhi issued a notice of caution to lawyers using social media to promote their legal service. This includes videos, interviews, case summaries, and even sharing clients' photo. Why? Because it violates Rule 36 of the Bar Council of India rules. Under Section 35 of the Advocates Act 1961, this kind of activity is considered professional misconduct and can lead to suspension or even cancellation of lawyer's license. So what exactly is the Bar Council objecting to? Creating content that promotes yourself or your law firm, sharing success stories or clients' outcomes, posting videos saying contact me for legal help, running ads or boosting legal service online. Now let's be clear, not all legal content is banned. You can post educational content like explaining laws generally, example, what is an FIR, hosting legal awareness webinars, talking about current legal issues without offering services, sharing judgment summaries without clients' detail. The council is concerned that lawyers are treating the profession like a business. And worse, some so-called legal influencers aren't even qualified, leading to public confusion and misinformation. This move is meant to protect the dignity of the profession and to ensure the public is not misled by flashy videos or false promises. Bar Council Delhi has clearly said, if you are a lawyer and you continue this kind of online self-promotion, you will face disciplinary actions that includes individual proceedings, suspension of license, and even permanent disqualification. What do you think? Is this the right step? Should lawyers be allowed to educate or promote online like doctors or teachers? Comment below and let's discuss. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more legal updates. Until next time, stay aware, stay informed. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.